The Capercaillie is the largest member of the grouse family in Europe. It lives in big, old and not very dense woods with rich duff and undergrowth and moderately tight treetops. It chooses secluded places for its breeding site, but where the forests are not very dense and the undergrowth is dominated by low vegetation, not limiting visibility. The courtship ritual of Capercaillies lasts from March until May and takes place both on trees and on the ground. The mating song consists of 4 consecutive parts that form a coherent whole: flapping, trilling, corking and grinding.